Hello boys and girls, and welcome to lesson 1-3. We're going to look at factor pairs. Take a look at the top of the page of page 10. Right here we are looking at what a factor and a product mean. In class I used the word factor and I added a Y at the end to make it the word factory. In a factory we make products such as new shoes, beds, mattresses, curtains. All of these things are products that we consume and buy. So think of it like that. You have to have two factors or more factors, endless amount of factors, and that will equal to a product. It will make a product, puts out a product. So take a look here at the example. Okay, math message. Here we have an array, okay, of 2 rows, 1 and 2. Okay, 2 and 5. There we go. So in each row has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have each one of 5 and it's doubled. So we have 2 rows and each one has 5. That's going to equal 10. Okay, that's an array. We're going to practice that with questions 1 and 2. Please pause the video now and read this message here for clarification. Number 1A, use the counters on this side to make all possible arrays for the number 14. Okay, we have to identify how many different ways we can make 14. You can make it all in one line, 1 times 14, and just count 14 dots across. You can make it into 2 lines, 2 rows of 7. Okay, and just write it down below. What else could we do with 14? Well, that sounds to be it. So for B, write a number model for each array. Well, 1 times 14 and then 2 times 7. Those were the 2 that we were able to create on there. And then for C, list all the whole number factors. The way we've done it in class is we've created a factor rainbow, such as this one. 1 times 14 is 14. 2 times 7 is also 14. And then you can also make the rainbow. 1 times 14, 2 times 7. And there you have all the factors of 14. And that's called a factor rainbow because of the arcs that we put on top, the arches. For question 2, we must identify 2 factors that will give you this product. Okay, 2 numbers that can give you 20. For example, it could be 1 times 20. It could also be 2 times 10 or 4 times 5. Okay, this is the number model that you're writing, the equation. 4 times 5 equals 20. What are all the possible factors? Here's where you're going to list all the factors. Well, we've already listed 1. 1 times 20, right? So let's write the 20. We know that 2 is another one. 2 times 10, correct? Okay. 3, no, 20 is not divisible by 3. What about 4? Oh, we just said 4 times 5. And there we have all the possible factors for 20. Okay, go ahead and try that with 16, 13, 27, and 32. I'm sure you've already noticed that the number 13 is a prime number, okay, but not 27. Do not confuse odd numbers with prime numbers. Just because it's odd doesn't mean it's prime. Remember that 3 times 9 equals 27. List all the factors for 32. You'll notice that you should have at least 6, not at least, you should have 6 factors right here for 32. Okay, boys and girls, in order for us to know that you have watched this video, you will know this interesting fact right here. Around 2,000 different types of plants are used by humans to make food. please copy this interesting fact exactly how you see it at the bottom of your page, including the stars, so that we know you've watched the video. The reason I chose this fact is because we are celebrating gardening, and in the spirit of gardening, since we will be producing our own food this quarter, actually this semester, first and second quarter. I'll see you in class, boys and girls.